Ingenuity, the Mars helicopter, is the first aircraft to achieve powered, controlled flight on another planet. A feat that's been called a Wright brothers moment on Mars. For that to happen, engineers had to come with an ingenious design.
So Ingenuity was designed as a tech demo to show that aerial robotics like this are able to be used for planetary exploration.
It took several years to perfect the design.
So that 7-year development process involved a lot of fabrication, so taking all of the raw components, turning that into molded parts, and so, for example, using these kinds of carbon fiber materials and molding that to develop the rotor blades on Ingenuity. Engineering something like this for an environment that we've never actually flown in before is very challenging.
In fact, the red planet's atmosphere is 96% composed of carbon dioxide. Moreover, the atmosphere is so thin, it contains only 1% of what we have here on Earth.
Just a different atmospheric composition and very different atmospheric density. Turns out to be quite different from designing a helicopter for Earth. And so the team had to go back all the way to the fundamentals of modeling the lift and the drag of a blade, really optimize it, and then develop a helicopter around there. It has to be very light. As you know, our helicopter weighs about 1.8 kilograms. It has to spin extremely fast, about 2,400 RPM.
It's crazy to me that something that small can be so mighty, that it can fly and collect data in the harsh Mars conditions while keeping us in the space race.
Hussam Al-Aswani, Savvy Today.